This filter is called Rainbow Glow. It has the surprise sound twice. Oh. So. Your chin is moving middle to high. Oh, 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 oh. Your cheeks are tense. Oh, oh. And your lips, are they stretched, rounded, or neutral? Oh. Rounded. You must make that kiss. Oh. Now, this sound has many strange spellings, like OUGH. You don't say thou, it's though. Usually it is spelled OW, O at the beginning of words, OH perhaps as the exclamation, oh, the surprise, OE, toe. So there are many spellings of the surprise sound. Now this is rainbow, not rainbow. Ow is the pain sound. Your chin is low to high. Ow, ow, bow, not bow. So be careful. Thanks for watching.